Okay, let's skip down to number 3. 3 is a pretty common. When is a point closest to a value on a graph? And so for this problem, we're going to find the shortest distance, and we're going to use a distance formula. But we want to make sure that we have a good picture of the situation. So square root of x looks like that, and the 0.50 is right here. So we want to know somewhere in here is the shortest distance. And it's not just something, because it's not a line, it's not just something you can figure out by connecting. So the key here is writing this point, because the distance formula uses 2 points, writing this point as an actual point. So x and then y. This is a nice, easy function. So this is our generic point, x, y, and this is our actual point. So we know our answer is going to be somewhere in here. If you draw it by hand, you know it's going to be somewhere in there, but it's not going to be something that you can just look at and find. So we write an equation, distance formula, x minus x, and plus y minus y, just like the regular distance formula, with only with letters instead of numbers. And then we got to go about simplifying this. So we're going to be taking the derivative. So I'd write it as a fraction. This is x squared minus 10x plus 25. Radical x squared is x. So the derivative, or the function we're going to take the derivative of, is x squared minus 9x plus 25. And it looks like it's going to be a nasty derivative, but with it won't be hard to solve it once we get there. So take the derivative, chain rule, derivative of the outside times the derivative of the inside. So 1/2 x squared minus 9x plus 25 to the negative 1/2 times 2x minus 9, because that's the derivative of the inside, which actually makes this easier to solve, because when you write it as a fraction, 2 goes down here, x squared minus 9x plus 25 goes down here, and 2x minus 9 in the numerator. To set this equal to 0, and again, you're supposed to evaluate if it's a max or min. If there's only one answer, we're going to go with the fact that they're telling you that it's the min. So all you got to do is set that equal to 0 to solve it. So x equals 9/2. Go back, make sure you answer the question. What point on the graph is closest to 5, 0? So I have the x coordinate. I got to find the y coordinate by taking the square root of 9/2, which is 3 over radical 2. And just to make your pre-calculus and algebra 2 teachers upset, leave that radical in the denominator.